Good morning, Bansko bloggers. Well, as you can see, we're not in Bansko. So, where are we? This is BEZBOG hut, and we're at the top of Dobroniste, and the run that leads down from the top all the way to the bottom. And Richard, who's kindly filming for us today,
hello folks,
can do a pan around for you, and just to show you where we are. There's John and
Nadia. Say hello.
Hi.
Hey, and this is the frozen lake that we're looking out onto, and you can see the top of the mountain there, moving all the way down, and you can see a few skiers and borders going down, and that's BEZBOG hut in the background with the the Rilla mountain range at the back in its nice misty conditions. As you can see, it's a brilliant day today, wonderful conditions, absolutely stunning up here now because we had some snow yesterday. I would say quite a bit actually, can't say how much, probably about 10 centimetres. What would you think?
I think so, yes.
Yeah, something like that.
And it looks as if it was going to be just a major whiteout this morning.
Yeah.
And we came here and it was beautiful blue skies and sunshine.
Yeah. So it's a little bit different today because we're not in Bansko, and we thought we'd show you something else. And it's a bit of a way to get up here. So it's about 5 kilometres to get to Dobroniste, and then it's about another 14 kilometres to drive up a road to get to the base where the two lifts are. Very antiquated, rickety old lifts, but they're good for a laugh.
And quite a few restaurants as well.
Yes, some of them looking very nice. Fresh trout, wasn't it?
Oh yes, John, you like cheap beer, don't you?
two lev 50 instead of 7 lev.
Yes.
It could be coming back.
Corinsko.
and this is a very nice little, what do you call it, mahana, I guess, or a tea house, just at the top. Great little thing. From behind, you wouldn't sure if it was a restaurant or not.
Yeah, I thought it was someone's personal home.
Yeah. So yeah, wonderful day.
Cost of the ski pass here. Did we mention that?
35 lev for a ski pass.
For the day, yeah.
For the day, yeah. And I mean, it's a very different setup. You know, there's just one run that goes all the way down to the bottom. And it splits off in different directions, so at one point it will split off and then come back again. There's a black, there's a red, there's some blues, it sort of varies. And I would say it's probably off-piste very nice too, because there's tons and tons of snow and not that many runs. So not that I know that, because this is my first time here, so I'm not sure where the off-piste is, but absolutely stunning place. Really pleased I came. And yeah, quite well maintained. There's a few bits that didn't have so much snow lower down, which were could have been groomed a little bit better. But I think they've only got one piste basher here, so I'm not sure how it all works here. Quite well maintained, well staffed. I have to say, as a review, I've really enjoyed it. I don't know about yourself, Richard?
I have. It's just nice to do something different for the day. Yeah. And one of the things that surprised me is just the lack of people. I know it's a Monday, but you haven't got all that hassle at the gondola at Bansko, pushing and shoving and queuing, and it's just straight on here. Fantastic.
Yeah. So, if you fancy coming up and giving it a go, I would say give it a try one day if you're up for it. If you're feeling Bansko's too busy one morning, just think, oh, get a cab from somewhere, or if you know someone who's got some wheels, come up here and give it a try. I'd say it's worth it for one day out, just to see something a bit different. It's quite cute, quite nice place.
I agree.
So on that note,
thank you, David.
Bansko bloggers, hope you enjoyed that video. Do use the app and all the great things that come with it. I've booked my restaurants a few times through the Bansko app, very good. And yeah, stay tuned.
Thank you.
Bye.